Hello, today let's talk about two devices on the market and make a comparison of them. We have on the one side the Apple iPhone 17 Pro from 2025 and on the other side the iPhone 15 Pro from 2023. Both are really good devices, of course, but we have a little bit changes in these periods of time. First, of course, iPhone 15 Pro comes with the A17 Pro chip, and the iPhone 17 comes with the A19 Pro chip. This is the latest generation, of course. Vastly improved, the sustained performance and AI are included. RAM, random access memory, have we 8 gigabit LPDDR5 between the 12 gigabit of LPDDR5 time. This means crucial for a Apple intelligent function is the RAM power and gaming specific. On the display, on the one side, we have 6.1 inches against 6.3 inches because the iPhone 17 Pro is a little bit larger. Larger screen area and higher resolution are really good. The peak brightness, this is a key feature. 2000 nits, again 3000 nits. Best in class. No problem with sunlight. The new iPhone 17 Pro is the winner, of course. Display protection, ceramic shield against ceramic shield 2 and anti-reflection coating. Rear camera, baby. 48 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel real-time telephoto, iPhone 15 Pro. Against a triple pack of 48 megapixel fusion camera. Wow, all sensors are maximized there. Telephoto zoom is 3 times optical, 15 Pro, against the 17 Pro with 4-time optical zoom and 8-time optical quality zoom. Ooh, that's really godlike. Front camera 12 megapixel against 18 megapixel center stage camera system. Connectivity Wi-Fi 6 against Wi-Fi 7, really nice, and Bluetooth 5.3 against 6. While charging 27 watt was possible, today the iPhone 17 Pro comes up to 40 watt. We have new key features. Action button was on the 15 Pro there. Action button and dedicated camera control button are on the 17 Pro. So, what is the best reason to upgrade to iPhone 17 Pro if you like that? But I think it's not necessary because the 15 Pro is a really good device. Of course, the next gen performance and AI. The chip with the A19 Pro and expect 20% increase to multi-core CPU performance and 35% plus better GPU performance compared with the A17 Pro chip. The Apple Intelligence, of course, is a good thing. If you use it often, you should go to the iPhone 17 Pro. Revolutionary camera system, but is a big fact there because the 17 Pro makes a big step forward. Full 48 megapixel sensor chips. The ultra-wide and the telephoto camera both adapt the sensor really nice, providing massive increases in detail, especially in low light. Zoom. The 17 Pro features a big zoom factor, of course, much bigger than the 15 Pro. But it's not so a big thing, I think. And display quality and durability. The brightness, the jump from 2000 to 3000 nits makes the iPhone 17 Pro display noticeably better for reading messages and view photos under harsh sunlight. And the iPhone 17 Pro is a 2-year flagship upgrade with a major technology advancements, particularly in processing power and optical zoom capability of the camera too. So, would you like to upgrade? I say no. If you have a 15 Pro, this is really good for you, hold it. But if you like to upgrade and hold the old version, that's a good second camera system or a second iPhone. Yeah, do it. Or if you are new at Apple, you should go directly to the 17 Pro. But I think a standard guy does not have to upgrade from an iPhone 15 Pro to an 17 Pro. But the design is much better, of course. But this is up to you. What is your decision there? Tell me this in the comments, please. Thanks for watching and please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback. Hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.